press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear children, subject Social Science, topic our Karnataka, class 6th. Okay, in this class I am going to teach you another one district, Tumakuru district of Bengaluru division. Okay, now learnt about which district? Tumakuru district. Okay. Tumakuru district was formed in the year 1832. When it is formed? In which year? 1832. Tumakuru district was formed in the year 1832. It is well known for its coconut crops. It is well known for its coconut. We see here in Tumakuru district, large number of coconut trees are found here. In which district? Tumakuru district. Here we see it is well known for its coconuts. Okay. Next, it is one of the largest district of Karnataka state. Which is the largest district of Karnataka state? Tumakuru is the one of the largest district of Karnataka. Here we see there are 10 taluks in Tumakuru district. How many taluks? 10 taluks. We see here 10 taluks. In which districts? Tumakuru district. We see in Tumakuru district 10 taluks. It have 10 taluks. There are Koratagere. First one is Koratagere taluk. Koratagere. And Gubbi, Chikkanayakanahಳ್ಳಿ, Chikkanayakanahಳ್ಳಿ, Pavgada, Kunigal, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira, last one is Tumakuru. Once again, see here, Tumakuru district was formed in the year 1832. Okay, it has 10 taluks. They are Koratagere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakanahಳ್ಳಿ, Pavgada, Kunigal, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira and Tumakuru. These are the 10 taluks of Tumakuru district. Okay. There are many. Next, we see here there are many forts. Many forts which are built the olden days. Built by the Palegars. Understood? When the Palegars ruled in districts, they built so many forts in this district. Here there are many forts. We see here many forts. Who built it? Who built these forts? Palegaras built these forts. Understood? When the Palegaras ruled in Tumakuru districts, they built so many forts. Important forts of these districts are, very important forts of these districts are Madhugiri fort. We see here Madhugiri fort, Midigeshi Fort, Nidugal Fort, Devarayana Durga, Huliyuru Durga and Sira forts. These are the famous forts in Tumkuru district. Here we see so many forts, isn't it? These forts built by the Palegars. Palegars, when the Palegars ruled in this area, ruled in Tumkuru district, they built so many forts. For example, Madhugiri Fort, Midigeshi, Nidugal Fort, Devarayana Durga, Huliyuru Durga Fort and Sira Fort. Okay. Next, we study about education. Now, we see here education also. Education. We study about education of Tumkuru district. This district known for its educational institution. We see here so many educational institutions. Large number of educational institutions are set up here. Where? In Tumkuru district. Okay. We already learned about Siddhganga Mutt, isn't it? Already we heard this name. Already we learned about Siddhganga Mutt, which is giving free education and boarding facilities. Understood? Are given to thousands of poor students. Free education also here giving. In Siddhganga Mutt, which is giving free education and boarding facilities are given to thousands of students. In Tumkuru district, which educational institutions we see? In Tumkuru district, we see Siddhganga Mutt. These Mutt providing free education and so many facilities for poor students. Next, here under the leadership of Shivakumara Swamiji, he is no more, but he decided continue this noble job. Here giving continuously free education for and providing shelter also for very poor students. We see here so many students learning in this institution. Another important institution is Siddhartha Education Society. See here, first institution is Siddhganga Mutt. Siddhganga Mutt, and another one is Siddhartha Education Society. Siddhartha Education Society. Okay, see here once again I will repeat here. In Tumkuru district, it is formed 1832. In which year? 1832. Okay, here we see 10 taluks. It is well known for coconut, isn't it? Next, it have 10 taluks. These are Kortagere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Pavagada, Kunigal, Turvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira and Tumkur. These are the 10 taluks of Tumkuru district. Next, here we see so many forts also. Who built this fort? Palegaras built these forts. Understood? These forts built by Palegaras. When the Palegaras ruled in this district, they built so many forts. Isn't it? For example, Midigeshi, Madhugiri, so many forts here built. Next, educational. Here we see so many educational centers also, educational institutions also. For example, Siddhganga Mutt. It providing free education for and they providing free shelter also for so many poor students. isn't it? Next, another one is Siddhartha Educational Society. Here also thousands of students are learning. A unique, we see in Tumkuru district, a unique horse breeding station is present in Kunigal. Understood? Where present horse breeding station, where it is? It is in Kunigal. This district is become an important industrial hub state, that is Karnataka state. Here we see so many industries also. This district is contributing large number of industrial growth. There are famous places of Tumkuru. They are Madhugiri. It is a monolithic hill which is the only one in Asia. See here, it is a very famous place also. We see here Madhugiri. It is a monolithic hill which is the only one in Asia. Monolithic means what, children? Made of the only single stone. It made of the only single stone. Understood? It's called monolithic hill. This hill made up of the only one single stone. Understood? It is very famous and it is one of the in Asia, which is the only one of the in Asia. Okay. Nowhere find this rare hill. Which hill? Madhugiri hill. Madhugiri, it is a monolithic hill. Next, Devarayana Durga is a famous place. In Tumkuru district, another famous place is Devarayana Durga. It also very famous place and very beautiful place. Lakshmi temple of Goravanahalli. Which temple here? Here we see Lakshmi temple at Goravanahalli, Koratagere Taluk. In which taluk? Koratagere Taluk. We see one famous temple, that is Lakshmi temple. It is a famous temple. Thousands of devotees every year here visit. Okay. Next, there is a famous folk song. We see here famous folk song on the tank of Kunigal Kere or Kunigal tank. Understood? Here we see very famous folk song, the tank of Kunigal, Mudugal Kunigal Kere. Are you heard? It was sung on the Kunigal tank. It was sung on the Kunigal tank. Okay. Once again, see here, we study about Tumkuru district. ನಾವು ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ 1832ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1832ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು? ಇದು ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ? ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ? ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯು 10 ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅವುಗಳು ಯಾವುದೆಂದರೆ ಕೊರಟಗೆರೆ, ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿರಾ, ಚಿಕ್ಕನಾಯಕನಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾವಗಡ, ಕುಣಿಗಲ್, ತುರುವೇಕೆರೆ, ತಿಪ್ಟೂರು, ಮಧುಗಿರಿ, ತುಮಕೂರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿರುವ ಅನೇಕ ಕೋಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಕೋಟೆ? ಮಧುಗಿರಿ, ಮಿಡಗೇಶಿ, ಪಾವಗಡ, ನಿಡುಗಲ್, ದೇವರಾಯನ ದುರ್ಗ, ಹುಲಿಯೂರು ದುರ್ಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿರಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕೋಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಸರು ವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಬಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಅಕ್ಷರ ದಾಸೋಹವನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಬಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನ ದಾಸೋಹವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೆನಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅನ್ನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಕುದುರೆ ತಳಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಂದು ಇದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಯಾವ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ? ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಮಧುಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟವಿದೆ. ಮಾನಲಿಥಿಕ್ ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ದೇವರಾಯನ ದುರ್ಗವು ಪುರಾಣ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ ಕೆರೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊರಟಗೆರೆ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಗೊರವನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Next, we study about another district, that is Chitradurga district. Which district? Now, we will learn about Chitradurga district. Chitradurga is very famous, isn't it? Because it is historical place. Which is historical place? Chitradurga is historical place. Now, we study about Chitradurga district. See here, Chitradurga is famous for its dramatic 7-ringed fort. ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆಗಳಿಂದ ಇದು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. 7 layers of forts, isn't it? Chitradurga is famous for its 7-ringed forts. Which fort? 7-ringed forts. We see here 7-ringed forts. Ringed forts. Okay. In Chitradurga, we see 7-ringed forts, 7 layers of forts. Inside the fort, what we will see? We see so many ponds and temples. Understood? In Chitradurga fort, we see inside so many ponds and temples. We see here ponds and temples also. Okay. This is speciality of Chitradurga district. Here we see taluks also. Chitradurga district have 6 taluks. First one is Chitradurga. Here we see how many taluks? 6 taluks. Which are these? They are Chitradurga, Hiriyuru, Chalikere, Hosdurga, Holalkere and Morakalmuru. This is Morakalmuru. It is very famous for production of manufacturing of sarees. Understood? Why it is famous? It is famous for manufacturing of sarees. Okay. Which taluk? Morakalmuru taluk. It is famous for manufacturing sarees. Next, there are some famous historical figures we see here. See, many leaders emerged in this district. Let us know some of the name. Okay. This district is known for Palegaras. Who is famous here? Palegaras. This district known for famous Palegaras. Here we see Palegaras ruled the Chitradurga district. Okay. Madakeri Nayaka. Which Palegaras ruled in Chitradurga district? He was Madakari Nayaka. Understood? Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara in Chitradurga district. The famous Palegara was Madakari Nayaka. Madakari Nayaka. He ruled Chitradurga. Okay. He was very famous Palegara of that period. Vanake Obaya, Obakka or Vanake Obawa. You heard this name? Yes, she was very famous, isn't it? Vanake Obawa was another well-known personality, another well-known historical person. Why she was famous? Because she sacrificed her life to save the fort of Madakari Nayaka. Why she was famous? Vanake Obawa was another well-known historical person because she sacrificed her life to save the fort of Madakari Nayaka. Understood? Here we see Vanake Obawa. Vanake Obawa. She was sacrificed her life because she saved fort of Madakari Nayaka. She saved the fort of Madakari Nayaka. Isn't it? Next, some of the other personalities, some of the well-known personalities of this district is Nijalingappa. Who was he? He was Nijalingappa. Who was he? He was the ex-chief minister of Karnataka. Who was the ex-chief minister of Karnataka? Yes, Nijalingappa was the ex-chief minister of Karnataka. He also belongs to which district? Chitradurga district. Some of the other well-known personalities are this district. S. Nijalingappa, he was the ex-chief minister of Karnataka. Next, Malladihalli Raghavendra Swamy. Malladihalli Raghavendra Swamy, he was a religious leader. He was a religious leader having his own mud. Talukina Venkanaya Tarasu, he was famous novelist. Who was famous novelist? Tarasu was a famous novelist. In Kannada, in which language? In Kannada language, has written hundreds of many novels in Kannada. Tarasu, he was a famous novelist in Kannada, has written hundreds of many novels in Kannada. Okay. Next, Sri Shivamurti Muruga Sharanaru. He was contributing for the social service. Who was contributing for the social service? Sri Shivamurti Muruga Sharanaru. He was contributing for the social service. Next, Tarulabalu Swamiji. This Swamiji is also running so many educational institutions and many students are learning in this institution. Okay. Kabira Nandashramas, Shivalinga Ananda Swami, Jagluru Imam Saab, they were also religious leader. Okay. Okay. ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯು 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಅಭೇದ್ಯ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಕೋಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ನೀರಿನ ಕೊಳವೆಗಳಿವೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಕೋಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳಿವೆ? 6 ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವು ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಹಿರಿಯೂರು, ಚಳ್ಳಕೆರೆ, ಹೊಸದುರ್ಗ, ಹೊಳಲ್ಕೆರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು. ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು ಸ್ಯಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಸೀರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ತಾಲೂಕು. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ? ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ಯಾರು? ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರರು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ. ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ ಸಾಹಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು, ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್, ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ? ಆ ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಂದ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನೇ ಅವಳು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಯಾರು? ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ. ಅವಳು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಸಾಹಸಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಯಾರು? ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ. ಎಸ್ ನಿಜಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ, ಮಲ್ಲಾಳಿಹಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ತಳುಕಿನ ವೆಂಕಣ್ಣಯ್ಯ, ತಾರಾಸು, ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮುರುಘಾ ಶರಣರು, ತರಳಬಾಳು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು, ಕಬೀರಾನಂದಾಶ್ರಮದ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಆನಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಜಗಳೂರು ಇಮಾಮ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Understood children? Once again, see here, we study about Chitradurga district. Chitradurga is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed forts. Inside the fort we see temples and we see ponds. Chitradurga have 6 taluks. They are Chitradurga, Hiriyuru, Chalakere, Hosadurga, Holalkere and Morakalmuru. Morakalmuru is famous for manufacturing sarees, manufacture of sarees. There are some famous historical figures, see many leaders emerged in this district. Let us know some of the names. This district is known for Palegaras, and famous Palegara was Madakari Nayaka. Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara of this district. Onake Obawa is another well-known historical person. She sacrificed her life to save the fort of Chitradurga or fort of the Madakari Nayaka. Some of the other well-known personalities here we see. Yes, Nijalingappa, he was the ex-chief minister of Karnataka, and Mallanihalli Raghavendra Swamiji, he was a religious leader having his own mutt also. Next, Talukina Venkannaya, Tarasu, he was a famous novelist in Kannada, has written hundreds of many novels in Kannada. Next, Shri Shivamurti Muruga Sharanaru, he was contributing for the social service. Taralabalu Swamiji, this Swamiji is also running so many educational institutions and many students are learning here. And great personalities, Kabiranandashramas, Shivalinga Ananda Swami, Jagluru Imam Sab, they were also religious leaders. Okay. Thank you.